Land value equivalent to 33.7651 rands a coin. The present cost range, 32.2500, 34.2094. The earlier day close, 33.1840. The change was plus 0.5811. Plus 1.75%. Backwards rate. ZAR to Luna. Land cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month. Land cost expectation on Tuesday, February 21. Cost 32.11 rands. High 34.36. Low 29.86. Land conjecture on Wednesday, February 22. Cost 31.97 rands. High 34.21. Low 29.73. Land cost expectation on Thursday, February 23. Cost 33.40 rands. High 35.74. Low 31.06. Land conjecture on Friday, February 24. Cost 31.40 rands. High 33.60. Low 29.20. In multi-week land cost expectation on Monday, February 27. Cost 33.44 rands. High 35.78. Low 31.10. Land estimate on Tuesday, February 28. Cost 34.26 rands. High 36.66. Low 31.86. Land cost forecast on Wednesday, Walk 1. Cost 34.57 rands. High 36.99. Low 32.15. Land estimate on Thursday, Walk 2. Cost 34.14 rands. High 36.53. Low 31.75. Land cost forecast on Friday, Walk 3. Cost 33.99 rands. High 36.37. Low 31.61. In about 14 days land estimate on Monday, Walk 6. Cost 36.09 rands. High 38.62. Low 33.56. Land cost forecast on Tuesday, Walk 7. Cost 31.46 rands. High 33.66. Low 29.26. Land estimate on Wednesday, Walk 8. Cost 30.16 rands. High 32.27. Low 28.05. Land cost forecast on Thursday, Walk 9. Cost 31.18 rands. High 33.36. Low 29.00. Land estimate on Friday, Walk 10. Cost 30.72 rands. High 32.87. Low 28.57. In 3 weeks land cost forecast on Monday, Walk 13. Cost 29.04 rands. High 31.07. Low 27.01. Land estimate on Tuesday, Walk 14. Cost 28.22 rands. High 30.20. Low 26.24. Land cost forecast on Wednesday, Walk 15. Cost 30.91 rands. High 33.07. Low 28.75. Land estimate on Thursday, Walk 16. Cost 30.07 rands. High 32.17. Low 27.97. Land cost forecast on Friday, Walk 17. Cost 31.16 rands. High 33.34. Low 28.98. In about a month land estimate on Monday, Walk 20. Cost 32.72 rands. High 35.01. Low 30.43. Land cost forecast on Tuesday, Walk 21. Cost 29.43 rands. High 31.49. Low 27.37. Land estimate on Wednesday, Walk 22. Cost 30.20 rands. High 32.31. Low 28.09. Land value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Land cost expectation for February 2023. First and foremost cost at 36.01 rands. Exorbitant cost 42.33. While low cost 29.20. The found the middle value of cost 35.45. Land cost gauge toward the months and 34.26. Change for February 4.9%. Land gauge for Walk 2023. In the first place cost at 34.26 rands. Exorbitant cost 38.62. While low cost 26.24. The found the middle value of cost 33.61. Land cost gauge toward the months and 35.33. Change for spring 3.1%. Land cost expectation for April 2023. In the first place cost at 35.33 rands. Exorbitant cost 43.85. While low cost 35.33. The found the middle value of cost 38.87. Land cost gauge toward the month's end 40.98. Change for April 16.0%. Land gauge for May 2023. Before all else cost at 40.98 rands. Excessive cost 40.98. While low cost 32.01. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 37.10. Land cost conjecture toward the month's end 34.42. Change for May 16.0%. Land cost expectation for June 2023. Before all else cost at 34.42 rands. Excessive cost 34.42. While low cost 26.89. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 31.16. Land cost figure toward the month's end 28.91. Change for June 16.0%. Land figure for July 2023. Initially cost at 28.91 rands. Excessive cost 30.74. While low cost 26.72. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 28.78. Land cost figure toward the month's end 28.73. Change for July 0.6%. Land cost expectation for August 2023. Initially cost at 28.73 rands. Excessive cost 35.66. While low cost 28.73. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 31.61. Land cost figure toward the month's end 33.33. Change for August 16.0%. Land figure for September 2023. Initially cost at 33.33 rands. Excessive cost 34.87. While low cost 30.31. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 32.78. Land cost figure toward the month's end 32.59. Change for September 2.2%. Land cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at 32.59 rands. Excessive cost 32.59. While low cost 27.39. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 30.51. Land cost conjecture toward the month's end 29.45. Change for October 9.6%. Land conjecture for November 2023. At the outset cost at 29.45 rands. Excessive cost 29.45. While low cost 24.07. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 27.21. Land cost conjecture toward the month's end 25.88. Change for November 12.1%. Land cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at 25.88 rands. Excessive cost 27.22. While low cost 23.66. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 25.55. Land cost conjecture toward the month's end 25.44. Change for December 1.7%. Land conjecture for January 2024. At the outset cost at 25.44 rands. Excessive cost 28.69. While low cost 24.93. The